Hello students, welcome you all in Olympiad GK class. Today we will discuss chapter 5 India and the World. Let's start the discussion, and for the previous chapter please watch the previous videos. All of you please open your PDF, or if you have book then your book. Let's start the chapter. Question number 1. Stern magazine caused a sensation a few decades ago when it published the alleged secret diaries of Adolf Hitler, the Nazi dictator. This, however, turned out to be fraud. In which country is Stern published? 4 options are there, and the correct option is option number B, Germany. Correct option is option number B, Germany. Next question. The first newspaper in India was published in 1780 by an English gentleman called James Augustus Hickey. It was an English newspaper. What was the newspaper called? Option number A, Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Option number A, Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Question number 3. He has been described as father of Indian IT sector by Time magazine. He has been described as father of Indian IT sector by Time magazine. He co-founded Infosys Technologies. He has been honored with the Padma Vibhushan and Legion of Honor awards. Who is he? Question is, who is he? Question number 3, correct option is D, N.R. Narayan Murthy. D, N.R. Narayana Murthy. Question number 4. He is known as the father of the White Revolution in India. He is known as the father of the White Revolution in India. His brainchild, Operation Flood, is the world's biggest dairy development program. He founded the Amul Cooperative at Anand, Gujarat. Who was he? 4 options are there, and the correct option is Verghese Kurian. Option number B, Verghese Kurian. Next question. Question number 5. This museum in Paris was originally a fortress but later became the royal palace of the kings of France. It was turned into a museum in the 18th century. It is home to the famous painting of the Mona Lisa. Which museum are we talking about? Very easy question. Option 4 options are there, and the correct option is the Louvre Museum. Option number B, the Louvre Museum. Next question. Some institutes in India are famous for their establishment, research and trainings. Select the incorrect pair showing the name of the institute and its location. Incorrect pair. 4 options are there. National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal. National School of Drama, New Delhi. Yes, it's correct. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, New Delhi. Yes, it's correct. Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited, Pune. No, it's not correct. Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited in Pune, D. It's not correct. So that's the incorrect option, incorrect pair. Now, next, page number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, it is one of the most famous monuments in Paris, built between 1806 and 1836. It stands at the center of the Place Charles de Gaulle, or at the western end of the Champs-Élysées. It honors those who fought for France during French Revolutionary Napoleonic War. With the names of all French victories, the generals inscribed on its inner and outer surfaces. Identify the monument. Arc de Triomphe, Notre Dame Cathedral, the Pont du Gard, Basilique de Versailles. 4 options are there and the correct option is for question number 7A. Arc de Triomphe. Now question number 8. I was a black woman who refused to give up my bus seat to a white man in 1955. This incident started the civil rights movement in the USA with blacks campaigning for equal rights. Who am I? A picture is there for the lady. Question is, who am I? 4 options are there and the correct option is option number A, Rosa Parks. Option number A, Rosa Parks. Now question number 9. In which country did Emiliano Zapata Salazar lead a peasant uprising in the early 20th century? In which country? 4 options are there. Correct option is option number B, Mexico. Correct option is option number B, Mexico. Question number 10. The largest inland lake in India is situated in Rajasthan. This lake has been designated as Ramsar site because the wetland is the home of many migrating birds including flamingo. Name the lake. Very easy question. Option number B, Sambhar Salt Lake. Option number B, Sambhar Salt Lake. Now, next question. Question number 11. In which country would you greet people saying Ni Hao? In which country would you greet people? Greetings. Like in India, we greet people with hello, hi, good morning. In which country we use Ni Hao? Question number 11, very common answer, that is option A, China. Question number 12. It is one of the largest forts in the world built by a Rajput ruler in 1156 AD. This majestic fort built in yellow sandstone is also known as the Golden Fort because of its golden hue during sunset. Name the fort. 4 options are there. Correct option is option number A, Jaisalmer Fort. Option number A, Jaisalmer Fort. Now, next page. Page number 24, question number 13. Which of the following seas has no coastline? Has no coastline. 4 options are there. Correct option is Sargasso Sea. Correct option is Sargasso Sea. Option number B. Next question number 14. Which of the following is the first Bank of India? Very easy question. First Bank of India, Bank of Hindustan. First Bank of India, Bank of Hindustan. Next, question number 15. Rearrange the jumble letter to find the name of the longest river in Southeast Asia, which flows through China, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam before emptying into the South China Sea. So we have to rearrange longest river in Southeast Asia. Rearrange the words LVOAG. No, it's not arranging some meaningful word. Next word KOMEGN. Yes, Mekong. MEKOGN. This word. Second one. Second one. MEKONG. Mekong. It's a name of the river. So Mekong will be the answer. So after rearranging the jumble words, the longest river in Southeast Asia is Mekong. Question number 5, answer. Next, question number 16. The Murray-Darling River System is an important river system of which country? The Murray-Darling River System is an important river system of which country? Question number 16, answer Australia. Question number 16, answer Australia. Question number 17. Match these union territories of India with their major attraction and select the correct option. Chandigarh, Daman-Diu, Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island. In column 2, Coral Reef, Rock Garden, Ross Island, Basilica of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, Dominican Monastery. 4 options are there, 5 options are there, and 4 options are there for the answer. Now for question number 17, we can say 1. Chandigarh will match with Rock Garden. Chandigarh will match with Rock Garden. 1B. 2. Daman-Diu. Daman-Diu, Dominica Monastery. Daman-Diu, Dominica Monastery. Puducherry. 3. Puducherry, Basilica of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. 3. Basilica of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. 3. Next, 4. Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep obviously coral reef. Lakshadweep obviously coral reef. And in Andaman Nicobar Island we find Ross Island. 5. So 1B 2 5, it means 2E. 1B 2E 3D, 4A, 5C. Match with option A. Match with option A. So the answer will be option A. Okay. Now next question. Banknotes carry the picture of eminent people of a country. Choose picture would you find on a $100 note. $100 note picture. Question number 18. Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin. $100 note, Benjamin Franklin. Now, question number 19. His mother was the Prime Minister of India. Oh, very common. We all know whose mother was the Prime Minister of India. Rajiv Gandhi. Let's read the question. He was a commercial airline pilot by profession, but later became India's Prime Minister after his mother was assassinated in 1984. Who are we talking about? Rajiv Gandhi, obviously. Okay. Next question number 20. Last question for this chapter. I was born with the ability to see and hear, but an early childhood illness left me blind and deaf. I overcome the disability to become an author, political activist and lecturer. I was the first deaf-blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Very common question. Who am I? Helen Keller. Option number C, Helen Keller. Option number C, Helen Keller. So, that's all for the options. That's all for today, students. I hope every questions are clear to you. Now, we will discuss the next chapter in our next video. Thank you.